All right, good morning and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Raphael from sparedigitals.com, and in this tutorial, I'll actually be teaching you how you can back up your WordPress site. Okay, for instance, let me show you how important it is to back up your files. Let me show you something before we come back to this place. If you come to Hostinger, okay, you can see they're actually charging you daily backup, additional 25.08 as in they are giving you that if you use this plan, if you are using this plan, if you purchase this plan, you are going to get this daily backup for free, worth 25.08 US dollar. But if you are using this guy, you are going to pay some additional charges. Okay, that is how important it is to back up your files. Okay, your WordPress site. Now let's go to Namecheap. If you come to Namecheap, here you are going to pay additional charge, but if you are using this plan, you are going to get it for free. Look at it here, automatic backup, to tell you how important it is to have your website backup. Even if it is not every day, you can actually do it weekly or two weeks. So it is very important you back up your files, your WordPress files. In case anything happens, you can actually get it back without wasting time. So how do you achieve that with free resources? The first thing you need to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard, then go to plugins. Okay, go over plugin, click on add new. So we're going to search for, in the search box here, we're going to search for up, okay, updraft. Okay, look at it here, updraft plus. Okay, now click on install now, then activate. Okay, once you activate the listing, this wizard will pop up. Okay, welcome to Updraft Plus, the world's most trusted backup plugin. Okay, so click on this wizard now. Let's follow the wizard. Okay, so click on OK. Once this page opens up for you, you can see there are different options that I can actually do with this guy here, but we're going to use the free version. Okay, you can actually follow this thing and see some of the listing, but I'm going to close it. Okay, so migrate to clone settings. So let's click on setting first. This is the beauty about this guy. You can actually back up your WordPress site to Dropbox. You can back it up to Google Drive. You can back it up to Google Cloud. Just look at Microsoft Azure. You can back it up anywhere of this program that are actually here. And not just that, if you come down here, you can see you can back up your plugins, you can back up your theme, you can back up your uploads. Any of that I don't want to back up, you can actually they check this box and it will not be backed up for you. Okay, you can see check this box to have a basic report sent to your email. This is the beauty about this plugin. Okay, you can do a lot of things with the free version, but they have premium version. Okay, but you can do a lot of things with the free version, but the premium version will give you a better advantage and more secure. I'm not saying this is not secure, it is, but anything that is free, there is no way you can compare free resource with premium resources. Okay, so these are the things you can actually do with the listing. So let's go to advanced. Okay, just play around with it and you can see whatever you want to do with it. So these are the premium extension. Okay, backup to remote storage. You can see on the free version you can actually do all those things. Now cloning and migration, you can only do that on paid version. Okay, anonymization, anonymization, anonymization function. Okay, is for premium. Incremental backups is for premium. Fast personal support is for premium. Okay, pre-update backup. So these ones are all for premium. Multi network stroke multi-site are all for premium. Okay, you can actually read the article, the complete article on my website. I'm going to drop the link where you can actually read the complete article on the benefit of using this Updraft Plus. It's a very powerful plugin that I can actually use. Okay, so okay, so these are basically the way you can actually do all these things. So let's go back and do the backup now. Let me just show you how it works. So click on backup now. Okay, so you can this is already checked for you. Only allow this backup to be deleted manually. Okay, to me, I usually check this guy. I wouldn't want them to delete it for me. I usually check this guy, but I usually delete it by myself. But if you don't have the chance, then uncheck this. But if you want to do it manually, then check this. Okay, I usually check this. So click on backup now. Okay, these are the way you can actually back it up. You can see it's backing up. You can see backup is completed because this is just a new a tutorial website. Okay, you can see the backup has been completed. Now, if you want to restore this backup now, all you need to do is to click on this restore. Boom! You start restoring your backup. Okay. Now, let's say you want to actually back this thing up to um, external cloud. Let's say Google Drive. What you need to do is to come to this setting. Okay. Click on Google Drive. Okay. If you want to uncheck any of this, uncheck it. Okay. And come down here. Click on Save Changes. Now you're going to log in here to select your Google Drive, as in to give them permission because you must give them permission to actually back it up. Once you give them permission, let me show you. Okay, now scroll down, click on Allow, then click on Complete Setup. Now I've linked the Google Drive with this guy now. You can see existing backup 1, formerly it was 0. Okay, so once I click on backup now, I'll check this, click on backup to be back, the file will be backed on a Google Drive. Okay, so these are how you can actually back up your file. Okay, I hope this video tutorial was helpful. Please, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon so anytime I upload video you can easily be notified. You can also visit my website spreaddigitals.com. I do my best to upload quality articles there. Once again, thank you very much and God bless you. And I'll be dropping the link of the premium version if you actually want to upgrade it to the premium version, and also be dropping the link where you can actually read more about Updraft Plus, the benefit of using the premium version.